In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the SUMPROUDCT function. We use the SUMPROUDCT function when we have two or more ranges that we want to multiply and then add the product to get the sum. So for example, in this worksheet, I need to determine the cost of my next clothing order. So you could see here that I want to purchase 2,810 tank tops, and I want to multiply that number by the price per item. So in D4, I'm going to type equal B4 times C4, and I press enter. I'm going to autofill that data down, and then I'm going to go ahead and add those numbers together. So I'm going to do a sum. So this cell displays the cost of my next clothing order. So in order to determine my clothing cost, I had to first multiply and then I had to add. The SUMPROUDCT function is designed to do all of that in one step. I'm going to go ahead and click Formulas, Math and Trig, scroll down to SUMPROUDCT, and in my first array, I'm going to select the first range. And in the second array, I'm going to select the second range, and then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And as you can see here, this number is the same as this number. So the SUMPROUDCT allowed me to multiply and then sum. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this using your Insert Function button. I can click right here on Insert Function. And in the search for function, I'm going to go ahead and type SUMPROUDCT. Go. It's selected here. I click OK. And again, I have this function argument box. And in my first array, I would select the quantity. And in the second array, I would select the price per item. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And again, it matches. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it one more time, this time using the Autocomplete method. In cell D11, I'm going to type equal sum. As you can see here, SUMPROUDCT pops up, so I'm going to go ahead and double click on that, which automatically completes the function name. If I click right next to the parenthesis, you could see what I need to type in here. So for the first array, I'm going to select the first range. I need to put a comma in here to separate that range from the second array. So I'm going to go ahead and select the second range. Notice that I have the same number of cells selected. That's important to note that when you're doing a SUMPROUDCT, you have to make sure you're selecting the same number of cells in each column. I'm going to put on my right parenthesis and press enter. And again, it matches. So that's it. This function is very powerful and it's capable of doing so much more than what I've demonstrated in this short little video, but it's a good introduction for those of you that are just learning about the SUMPROUDCT function. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.